Hello everyone. Now our problem is which of the following figures can be drawn without lifting a pen from paper or which can be drawn without retracing. That problem asked in CSIR NET exam June 2019. Then question is that given two figures A and figure B, and question is that which of the following figure can be drawn without lifting a pen or which can be drawn without retracing. That is, we can't retrace one of the line and we can draw the figure. Now option is that figure A but not figure B? Is that figure B but not A? Is that both figure can be drawn without retracing, or neither figure A nor figure B can be drawn without retracing? Okay, now giving the solution for this problem, we first solve this by mathematical view, that is in graph theoretical view. For that purpose, we first see that what is meant by degree of each vertex. Degree means, suppose this is vertex U. Degree of vertex U is nothing but how many lines are drawn from that vertex U. There is only one line, therefore degree of U is 1. Similarly, from this vertex there are 1, 2, 3 edges. 3 edges drawn from that vertex V, therefore degree of V is 3. Similarly, suppose this is vertex is W. Degree of vertex W is 1, 2, 3, 4. Since 4 edges are drawn from W, therefore degree of W is 4. And suppose this is vertex X, then degree of X is 2 edges drawn from X, therefore degree of vertex X is 2. Okay, that is in graph theoretical view we count the degree of each vertex. Similarly, from figure B, now we see that degree of vertex say Y, degree of Y 1, 2, 3, degree of Z it is 1, degree of A it is 1, 2, 3, and degree of B 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Solving this question by direct way, that is we trial and error method, we draw the diagram without retracing, and trial and error method. But in graph theoretical view we can now see the answer. To solving this question in graph theoretical view, we first see the Eulerian theorem. What is Eulerian theorem? In any graph, it is Eulerian, or in any graph there exists an Eulerian path if every vertex is of even degree or exactly 2 vertices is of odd degree. Now first see that what is meant by Eulerian or Eulerian path. Eulerian path, it is a path in which we starting from any point and we cover the all lines, and that cover of all lines cannot be retraced. Okay, or it is Eulerian circuit. Eulerian circuit means a circuit we starting from any point and we draw from one destination to another destination without retracing. Suppose this is graph G. Is there exist a Eulerian circuit? If we starting from this point, we can draw on this way without retracing, that is from this and this way. That circuit is called as Eulerian circuit. Okay, that is the answer of our question is that is there exist an Eulerian path or is there exist an Eulerian circuit, then our answer is over. Therefore we see in both figure is that from figure A there are one vertex of degree 2, 2 is even number. This V vertex is of degree 1, 2, 3, odd degree vertex. This W vertex is of 1, 2, 3, 4, that is even, and this U vertex is of degree 1. Therefore, we see that there are U and V vertex of odd degree. That is, there are exactly 2 vertex of odd degree. Therefore, in figure A, there exists an Eulerian path. Now see in figure B, there is a vertex Y, 1, 2, 3 odd degree. There is a vertex Z, 1, which is odd degree. There is a vertex A, 1, 2, 3 odd degree. There is vertex B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd degree. That is, there are many vertices of odd degree, and hence figure B cannot be drawn without lifting pen, but figure A can be drawn without lifting pen. We see the diagram of figure A can be drawn without lifting pen. Therefore, for graph theoretical view, we see that the figure A can be drawn without lifting a pen or without retracing lines. How can we see the figure A can be drawn without lifting a pen? Now we see that we starting from any odd degree vertex. There is this vertex and this vertex are 2 odd degree vertex. If we start from this vertex, then we can retrace, without retracing we can draw the figure A as like this. Retrace from this to this, then here, then we go to here, then again we go to here, and then we draw this vertex. This is one way. Here we cannot lifting a pen and we cannot retrace at any edge. Or if you starting from this odd degree vertex, this one, then we can draw as from this vertex, then we complete this edge, then we complete this edge, then we go to this edge, and we complete the diagram. This is another way, second way to draw the diagram. And we see that by the graph theoretical view, if such a question is asked in any competitive exam, then only we can check that the degree of each vertex, and we can easily write down the answer in few minutes or few seconds. Okay, thank you.